Subaru has announced its first three-row electric SUV, the Getaway, at the New York International Auto Show. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. Forget everything you knew about the family road trip and meet the Getaway, a three-row electric beast designed to drag your entire crew into the future without leaving the mud behind. While it borrows its some features from Toyota's upcoming 2027 Highlander EV, this isn't just a copycat, it's a rally monster. Packing a massive 95.8 kilowatt-hertz battery, the Getaway goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 5 seconds. That's sports car speed in a car that seats 7. With a whopping 420 horsepower and Subaru's legendary symmetrical all-wheel drive, this SUV is built to conquer mountains, not just small parking lots. Worried about the cold? Leave it to Getaway. Even at a freezing 14 degrees F, high-tech preconditioning keeps your battery happy. You'll get over 300 miles on a single charge, and while the 150 kilowatt charging speed isn't the fastest on the block, a 30-minute charge will get you back to 80%. Inside, it's a tech lover's dream. A giant 14-inch touchscreen dominates the dash, while the kids can lounge in optional second-row captain's chairs. Whether you're hauling 3,500 pounds of gear or stuffing 45 cubic feet of camping equipment in the back, the Getaway is ready for war. It keeps a classic Subaru soul with 8.3 inches of ground clearance and rugged roof rails, but adds luxury perks like ventilated seats and a heated steering wheel. First 2027 models hit the streets later this year, followed by a cheaper standard range version in early 2027. If you've been waiting for a reason to ditch the gas pump without losing your outdoor edge, the Getaway is your ultimate choice. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.